Check it out, people. My dude, right? Cleaning the AC, it wasn't working. So it wasn't getting as cool as it was when we first got it. So these guys, highly skilled individuals. You got to go all the way back to the thing.
Look how dirty it is.
Wow. This what happens, listen, babe. This what happens when you live in the jungle. Live in the jungle, you get a bunch of stuff come in there. Look. Look at that, babe.
You got ants, moths, and everything
Oh my goodness.
inside. Termites. There's flying termites
Yeah.
inside the thing. Yeah.
Oh wow.
Oh,
Wow. Look at that right there, people. Look.
look. Oh my gosh. Mm.
Talk about nasty. That's why you got to get your AC cleaned out, people. Wait, every 6 months?
Yeah.
All right. We'll make sure we doing this every 6 months.
Pati yung hugawa. Yun.
Mahirap ang picture ni video ni model. Para pang reels.
So dirty.
It's a boomer, boomer, boomer. Shh. It's a boomer.
Ayun na, yun. Yooks. Awak lagi dia.
Hey, babe. I put that right there. That piece every time that was your thing. Right, bitch.
They're gonna wash all of it. We'll wash all of it.
It didn't work like it's brand new, man. I got a feeling. So what you got to do with the refrigerator? You found the receipt yet?
Not yet.
Nana sa palit ano?
Wala, oy, kuwan lang eh. 27.
Ha?
27 lang eh.
Uy!
Sa...
It's a boomer, boomer, boomer. It's a boomer.
See that right there? Big difference, people. Big difference. That's what I'm talking about. Get your AC cleaned out. That's how you gotta do. Feel that? Totally different. The velocity of the wind, air coming out is better, a lot cooler. Not clouded up. You saw I cleaned it. You saw that. You saw I cleaned it. You saw that, right? Nice.